Sounds like a job for AC by Lou Choir.
Hi, I'm Conrad Misseldine with Air Conditioning by Lou Choir. I'd like to help you with an important decision you'll have to make regarding your home, and that's getting a replacement quote on your air conditioning system. A lot of people call us wanting a price over the phone, and I think what they're looking for is the cheapest thing they can buy. And that could lead to some major disappointments down the road. A better way to do it would be to call and set up an appointment at your convenience for one of our comfort consultants to come out and discuss your different options that are available to you today, such as what size air conditioner do you need, such as single speed versus multiple speed. Do you want a system that controls temperature in your house, or do you want a system that controls temperature and humidity? There are a lot of things to look at, and I think a better decision for you to make would be to call and set up an appointment and let our guys come out and give you an estimate, no obligation, no cost to you, and try to figure out what's best for you. I think that would be a better way of doing it than just call and getting a price over the phone for something that you might not like down the road. Thank you very much.
Sounds like a job for AC